Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today my video went out on the Santa chimney, Santa going down the chimney, and I don't know how it happened, but the part where I was making Santa's boots and legs and showing you how to put the legs into the top of the chimney, they didn't go with the rest of the video. So I'm going to include that now in a little short video, and it's going to be called How to Make Santa's Legs and Boots to Go into the Chimney Project. Thanks for watching. So I got my little boots completed, and I was able to take them outside and spray paint them. So then I had to let them dry. Now the bottom of the paint of the boots, though, I did have to use an acrylic paint, and it was a black acrylic paint, and this is what I used. This is really a nice paint. I think I got this at Michael's, but any acrylic paint will work for the bottom of his boots. But I think they're really cute. Then I went ahead and I cut off some fun fur so that I can put that around the top of his little boots, like that. And these are going to be really cute. So we needed 2 pieces of that, just enough to go around the boots. Now for his legs, I have used a piece of, this was an old dress that I bought at a thrift store. It's a velveteen, and I'm all for finding a little bargain. So I found this a few years ago. So I've still been working at using it for different projects. So what I did was I took if you remember in my video of the Grinch, I had this long piece of foam that was from the Dollar Tree in the hair aisle, and it was a long foam roller. Well, I had 12 inches left, so I cut this in half, and it's enough for the 2 legs, and I'm wrapping the velveteen around my legs, and I'm just hot gluing it. And that'll be his pants. I think that's going to be really pretty. So also I had to use a dowel, and I had a package of these, and they are 3/16 is what they are for the size, and that fit perfect in the little hole in my little tube. So once I get this finished, then of course his little boot will go on the top with his fun fur around the top, and that's going to be his little leg, and it will go in the chimney like so, like Santa is stuck or going down head first into the chimney. Now so I now have the fun fur on my little boots, and I have the legs covered with the velveteen. So now I almost forgot, we need a little buckle for Santa's little boot here. So I have a piece of this, it is called foam glitter sheet, and it's gold, and I've had this for a long time too. I think I got it at one of our dollar stores here where I live. So I just cut a wee piece like so, and it's got a backing on it, a sticky backing on it. So I'm going to take the backing off, and I'm just going to attach it to my little boot, like so. And I think that looks pretty cute. So I'll do that with the second one as well. And now Santa's boots are complete. So I'll just set those aside. And so now what I'm going to set my chimney on is I have a bamboo cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use that for my base for my chimney. So now what I need to do now is I need to get some floral foam and put inside here so that I can stick Santa's legs in, and we'll carry on after that. So I hope that was helpful now to complete the legs and the boots for Santa to go through down to the chimney, and to show you what I used inside, like for the styrofoam and whatever else was there. So now for the supplies that I used for this, it is in the original video, so I will link that original video to this little recap of the legs and the boots together. So I hope that you'll go ahead and make one. It still was really a lot of fun. And so until next time, thanks so much for watching. And please remember to share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Bye now.